Hello friends, I am Mayuri from VTeach Academy, and today I am going to teach you about the transpose of a matrix and study its properties. So the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns is called as transpose matrix. And now in order to study its properties, let us consider two matrices, say A and B. So the first property we have is A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. And this may be verified by taking the matrix A, and the transpose of matrix A is denoted by A transpose, which will be equal to the matrix, and here by interchanging the first column as the first row, we get 1, 2, and then the second column becomes the second row over here, which is 4, 5, and similarly here we get 7, 8. And then in order to find A transpose whole transpose, we need to interchange the rows and columns of the matrix A transpose. So here the first column 1, 4, 7 becomes the first row, and then the second column becomes the second row, which is nothing but equal to the matrix A. So hence here the property A transpose whole transpose is equal to A is verified. And now coming to the second property, which is A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So we already have the matrix A transpose, and now we need to find B transpose matrix. So the matrix would be -3, 4, and then the second column becomes the second row, which is 4 minus 2, and then we get 0 minus 1. So this is the matrix of B transpose. And now we need to add A transpose plus B transpose. So by adding the corresponding elements, we get 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. And then the next corresponding element, which will be 2 plus 4, that is 6. And similarly here we get 8, 3. And the last row will be 7, and then 8 minus 1 is again 7. So this is the matrix of A transpose plus B transpose. And now let us consider the RHS side, which is A plus B whole transpose. So before finding the transpose of a matrix A plus B, we need to find the matrix A plus B by just adding the matrices A and B. So by adding the corresponding elements over here, we get 1 minus 3, which is minus 2, and then 4 plus 4, which is 8, then 7 plus 0 is 7. And similarly, we get the second row as 6, 3, and 7. So now by using this matrix, we can find the transpose of a matrix A plus B. So here the first column becomes the row, that is minus 2, 6. And then the second column 8, 3. So here we get 8, 3. And then the last row 7, 7. So here we can see that the matrices for the values A transpose plus B transpose is equal to A plus B whole transpose. So in this way we verified the second property, and now let us consider an example where 5B whole transpose is equal to 5 into B transpose. So first we need to find the matrix 5B. So 5 is a scalar, and then here we have B matrix. Let us multiply 5 with the matrix B. So here we get minus 15, and then 5 into 4 is 20. And then we get 0, and the second row is in the form of 20 minus 10 and minus 5. Now in order to find 5B whole transpose, we need to interchange the rows and columns of the matrix 5B. So here we get minus 15, 20, and then the second column becomes the second row, which is 20 minus 10, and the last row is 0 minus 5. So let us consider this matrix as equation 1. And now by considering the RHS side, which is 5 into B transpose, so we need to multiply 5 to the matrix B transpose. So here we get 5 into minus 3, which is minus 15, and then the next value is 20, and then we get 20 minus 10, and the last row is 0 minus 5. So this is the value. And now let us name this matrix as equation 2. So by both the equations 1 and 2, we can say that 5B whole transpose is equal to 5 into B transpose, where 5 is the scalar. So instead of 5, we can substitute any value, we get the same result. And now you try to verify the property, which is AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Here you need to multiply the matrices A and B. And similarly, on the RHS side, you need to multiply the matrices B transpose into A transpose. So this was a basic introduction on transpose of a matrix and its properties. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos, visit our website VTech Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.